Hello guys, it's me Nejmu iShoot. Welcome to my channel iShoot Photography.
iShoot Photography.
As we know that we need powerful lights for making beautiful videos with beautiful lights. If it is a cinema or a documentary or even a professional vlogging, we need powerful lights. Every powerful lights, it has a drawback. Do you know that? Fan noise. When we are recording audio, we can hear the fan noise boo like that, right? When we are choosing powerful lights for online classes or professional vlogging, every time, especially if you are recording in a professional studio like acoustic studio, the fan noise every time it's disturbing us. Nowadays, you know that Godox is a very big light manufacturing company. Godox introduced their latest light. It's called UL150. UL150, it's a 150 watts light. In this light, there is no fan. For dismissing the heat, for reducing the heat, this light actually not using fan, it's using some kind of fins, metal fins for dismissing heat. After opening this box, we can check how powerful it is and we can check how it's noisy also. So let us open the box. So this is UL150. It have a powerful professional yoke for adjusting the lights in any position. So, and I like this kind of settings for adjusting the position. So you can make even minute position for your lighting, and it has a metal body and powerful body. And look at this, it's beautiful, nice graphics, yellow logo on the black, and it has a protection cover. It has a nice LED light, big one. You have to take care every time before you turning on the light, you have to remove the cover. Otherwise, it's gonna damage the LED light. So you have to take care about it. And the light have so many ventilation for reducing the heat. So I think no need any fan. And we can set it up here. You can see that in this light there is no any control knob or switches here. Only it's have a cable connector, and it has so many ventilation for reducing heat. Actually, there is a control box. It's coming separate. Control box is separate for this light, like as a professional video light. And in this control box, we can attach a V-mount battery. So when we are shooting outside, when we are shooting daytime in the outside or any times, you can use a battery for using this light. And it has some controls. So you can control lights, and you can control group and channels here. I will show you how to do that. And there is a cable for hanging here like this. So you can hang your control box with your lights. And there is two antennas coming with this box. One antenna is for Bluetooth connection. So you can control your lights with your mobile phone Godox app. I will show you. Then another one for remote control like this. So you can control your light with a remote controller, or you can control with a mobile phone. And there is another thing in the box. It's called power adapter. We can connect the electricity here, and we can connect another side of this cable to our control box like this. And it is like a DMX, or I don't know what kind of cable it's called. We can lock it with control box. When we connecting, see, that's noise. We can lock it. So you don't want to lose your connection while you are shooting, and you can connect it with a power AC cord. Right. Then we have to connect light with control box. And there is another cable also here in the box. One side you can connect here in the lights. It's also lock. If you wanna remove, you have to press this unlock switch and you can remove. Or see, so it's perfectly locked. And another side, control with connect with your control box. Then control box, there is one switch. It's power switch. You can turn on the power. So your light is powered up. Now it's 50% power. You can change your power. 0, so it means it's off, and 1%. You can see the lights, and you can see up to 100%, and you can increase it up to 100%, up to 100 steps. So you can use your lights even any minute steps as your light meter saying for your shooting. See, then you can use, if you want the 10%, you can put in 10%. And there is another button. This button is for controlling group and channels. You can use this light 16 channels and 6 groups. So in your video production there is so many lights. You can control your lights with a remote or mobile phone app. So it's easy to use. And this is a light. We will see how it's working, and we will wait up to getting hot. I don't know. It's cool. It's really cool. 10% is really cool. We can increase the light a little bit. Maybe 63%. In this mount, actually this lights has a Bowens mount. So you can use 1000 variety of modifiers, lights, soft boxes, snoods, and everything you can use with the lights. See, now it's working with the now it is in 100%. We will see there is any noise or fan or something. We will see after a while.
I shoot photography. I shoot photography.
Actually, this light is actually a cool light. See, even 100% is working long time. I am holding this light and there is no any fan noise. We can check there is any fan noise. Like, see, this is my mic. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear any mic noise? There is a small noise from my AC. That's it. See, so it means this light is, zero noise. So there is no fan, no noise. You can use this light as any conditions, like in acoustic studio for a silent video plus audio shooting. And we can connect this light with our mobile app. It's called Godox mobile app. I will show you how to do that. So we can use our light with a mobile app. It's coming with iPhone and Android. First we have to make Bluetooth connection with the light. Okay, when we are making Bluetooth connection, it's gonna ask passcode. That code is 60. So you have to press 0 6 times. That's the passcode, and it automatically gonna connect with your lights. After connecting the app, we can choose a channel here, which channel you want. So I choose channel 2 because my control box is in channel 2, and group A. Group A is here and channel here. Then I can control this control box, this light, with my mobile app. As you can see, when I am increasing light here, Karna. When I am increasing light, you can see the light is increasing, and you can see in the control box and the mobile app, it's working together. So when I am decreasing, it's, see, now I am going to decrease 14%. You can see it's here. So you can control your control box with a mobile phone, or you can control with a remote controller. You have to buy a remote control separate, and you can control your light with the app or remote controller. So this is the light UL 150. It's powerful light, I told you. So this is my first English vlogging. so many people they are commenting do some vlogging in English. So actually I'm a Malayalam vlogger. It is my first English vlogging for you. So you have to tell me how I can improve my channel, how I can improve communicate with you. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all.